All right, listen up. I'm broke, down to my last dollar, got nothing to lose. But I ain't gonna sit around and cry about it. What I do have is a screwdriver and a big old freaking dream. So I'm scrolling through Facebook and I see this post. Lady says her AC is out, and some company wants to charge her 500 big ones to change out the capacitor on the AC. Now, I got a little know something in me, but I ain't never swapped out no AC capacitor before. So I hop on the good old YouTube, watch a few tutorial videos, and realize, hold the flip up. It's a 10-minute job. 6 screws, 1 part, 1 tool. I can do this. So I hit her up. I'm like, yo, I can do that for you for $225. She's like, oh my God. Yes. Please come over and swap it out. But I already bought the capacitor. So I'm like, hot damn. I'll knock 20 off since you already got the part. Boom. We lock it in. I head on over there, screwdriver in hand, look at the unit, swap it out. 10 minutes. AC kicks back on, cold air everywhere. She's happy. So, yeah, I made $205 on this job. But let's keep it real. You'd probably have to buy a $30 screwdriver and a $10 bit set just to get started. That means I'm walking away with a real profit of $165 for about 10 minutes worth of work. You hear people talking about starting from nothing, but most of the time, you need a little something. You know what I'm saying. Even if it's just a few tools and the guts to say, yeah, I'll try that. This channel isn't about building an empire. It isn't about business plans or courses on how to scale to 6 figures. It's about making them fucking dollar bills. Plain and simple. You guys are gonna see every job I get, what I charge, what I spent, how long it took, and what actually hit my pocket. I'll post when I get paid. No schedule, no content calendar. Just real jobs, real money, real numbers. This is One Handyman. Let's see how far we can make it.